My name is Lydia Nyambura. I'm a student at Egerton University pursuing a degree in communication and media. Currently, I'm doing my industrial field attachment here at CoELIB. My media interest started way back in high school when I joined a journalism club. I enjoyed writing and reading news during my school assembly. That experience made me realize that I had a passion for sharing stories and information. I came to know CoELIB through a friend who told me that it's a great place to grow and gain experience. After joining, I found it to be a great space full of creativity, learning, and real-world experiences. As I continue with my attachment, I expect to learn even more, sharpen my skills, and become a media professional who not only tells stories but also make a difference through them.